Hello, we join you again today at the bustling flea market at Hötorgets, Stockholm. The Hötorget flea market has been a staple of weekend shopping since the mid-90s. Every Sunday, the fruit and vegetable stands are replaced by tables of old vinyl records, kitchenware, and other knick-knacks for the bargain hunters to rummage through. The prices are quite attractive, and some may even reduce further if they are keen to sell a particular item. A good collection of vintage vinyl records is available, but most of it is of Swedish music and songs. Hötorgets is at walkable distance from Stockholm Central Station, so if you have time and inclination, it will be an enjoyable visit on any Sunday morning. Hope you enjoyed this short visit with us. We leave you here to browse the stalls. Till next time then. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.